Now you want to study. You have exam tomorrow, maggot.
Step 1, slap your face. Congratulations, you're conscious. Barely. Step 2, you got your phone. Smash that goddamn Satan on the wall.
Step 3, pick up that non-alcoholic disappointment. Yes, water. Drink it.
Step 4, move your ass to the chair, not the bed, not the floor, the chair. You are going to war.
Step 5, set the alarm for 20 minutes.
Step 6, pick up the godforsaken book. Read it, own it for next 20 minutes. Your life depends on it. Step 7, after 20 minutes, stop reading. Take a rest for next 10 minutes. Don't strain your brain. This is your only moment of peace. Step 8, come back. Do you remember anything you read? Anything at all? One sentence? One word?
Step 9. Oh, wow. You remember something. Thank God you're not brain dead. Yet. Step 10. What are you staring at? Your future collapsing? Back to the book, philosopher.
Step 11. Repeat this circus. 20 minutes study, 10 minutes rest, until you kill the book or the book kills you.